Hi everybody, welcome to my home. This is the first time I'm decorating for fall. My home is simple in decor. My home doesn't shout fall, but you can feel fall in the colors and little decor pieces that I have added. I mostly love to DIY. So there are many DIY items and I'll put card links to all the DIYs that you can check if you love to. Today I'm doing this Fall Home Tour 2018 in collaboration with Daveda Lane. I'll put channel link to Daveda Lane and to the playlist for today's home tour. So just grab your cup of favorite beverage and come in my home for this year's Fall Home Tour 2018. This corn leaves wreath is made by my kids and we welcome you all. This is my neutral fall natural wall hanging or dream catcher, my nameplate that I DIY'd. Another little DIY I did quite some time back, a key holder or wall hanging with two llamas or camels. My neutral all natural hello wall hanging on my front door. Let's move in. Moving in, this is my little entryway. My neighbor's backyard, a tree just fell and I got a slice out of it to use it in my decor. Somebody's loss, somebody's gain. These are my terracotta pots, a little plant, a little DIY cactus in this entry section. And this is my glamorous fall leaf against an autumn poem, another DIY, and I love how this entryway turned out. This is a little corner that I have made using this wheat chaff that I had grown in my own home. And my home side, I love the little cute wreath. I just covered some books with brown paper and tied them with strings, and my all natural, neutral, dried flowers and fruits as decor. And this is my hand painted cushion in orange showing a banana tree. On the side table is a crochet cover with grateful, thankful and truly blessed sign, and I made this in a video some time back. I love how the colors of fall are seen in my home. Here is another cushion painted as a part of the two pairs by me. Another DIY, a fall candle. A little cute gather sign in a glamorous gold leaf tray. Beautiful flowers and flickering lights amongst fall leaves in a white lantern over fall colored books. Another DIY, a monogrammed bucket. I love this decorative clock. My face planter, another DIY inspired by anthropology, a stack of books in shape of pumpkin. My $5 Goodwill challenge, hurricane or lantern, kerosene lamp, beautiful flowers below the beautiful flowers painting. My beautiful gallery wall. My paintings, a kalamkari art, Shiva and Parvati, and a watercolor of home. Back to this corner, moving up, some more of my paintings, a watercolor painting of a couple. Here is a painting of me and my husband I painted just after my marriage. My little kids in my recycle and remix for picture frame with little pumpkin cutouts. My hutch for fall this time. Here is a basket full of pine cones and a DIY bottle, teapots and cups from Sikkim, marble goblets, black and white collection, fall leaves, bunting or garland, my little corner. This is a DIY I did recently and I'm going to share a video on it on 18th of this month. So do subscribe to my channel and watch my video and don't miss it. It's beautiful. Here is an engraved etched glass paperweight of India Gate. A picture of me and my husband. It's fall, y'all! My pumpkins in a little frame, and here is the Book of Seasons, another etched glass paperweight, and another little DIY of mine. So this is my hutch sideboard for fall this year. My dining space. I keep it very simple and minimal because this is the center or the hub of the house, of the family. We tend to all be here doing our work, homeworks, studies, watching TV, having all the meals. So I have to keep this area very simple, easy to move, remove, and so that we can work on it. This is a little centerpiece that I've set up with a crochet runner, and I've put a marble painted tray over which you can call this a vintage because this teapot is older than me and it belonged to my mother and got it from her. And I put some false flowers and real leaves from the gardens together to make this decoration. There is also a DIY napkin holder and also have a milk pot of the zest that I'll be putting on my microwave. Here are two wooden spoons that I painted with bounties of nature, harvest, abundance of food, and blessed happy family. This is inspired by an handicraft method from West Bengal. And here is my microwave. Here is a doily and over which I have placed my recently DIYed blessed sign, and part of the teapot set is the milk pot with some flowers, and this is my dining area. With my stack of books, few of the books, some plant. The books that I'm reading, I prefer a bottle to a glass because I get thirsty when I'm sleepy. A phone is must in this corner, and some nuts to add fall touches, a lovely toilet for all this to sit on. This is Haugen for me. This is my little bedside corner. Lastly, a corner in my kitchen with my DIY canisters and jars, and my little corner with teacups or coffee mugs of everyday use sitting over different doilies, and my DIY jar with painted white pumpkin with some fall colored flowers. They add a little touch of fall to my home. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and do like, share and comment this video and subscribe to my channel and come back for more. Thanks for watching.